Hello friends, today we solve the multiple choice question part 2 of cardiovascular system in a subject medical surgical nursing. Before starting the topic, I request you for more videos regarding MCQ of medical surgical nursing. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my video channel. Now we start with the MCQ. First, important clinical features of angina pectoris is options are A. Headache, B. Chest pain, C. Fever, and D. Hypertension. And the correct answer is answer B. Chest pain. Second, ischemia means options are A. Inadequate nutrition, B. Reduced heart rate, C. Inadequate blood supply, and D. Inadequate oxygen supply. And the correct answer is answer C. Inadequate blood supply. Third, action of dopamine is options are A. Maintain blood pressure, B. Maintain pulse rate, C. Maintain temperature, and D. Improve respiration. And the correct answer is answer A. Maintain blood pressure. Fourth, during myocardial infarction, LDH and creatinine kinase MB level is options are A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. No effect on their level, and D. May increase or decrease. The correct answer is answer A. Increase. Fifth, apnea means options are A. Absence of breathing, B. Increase respiratory rate, C. Decrease respiratory rate, and D. Difficulty in breathing. And the correct answer is option A. Absence of breathing. 6. Clinical manifestation of myocardial infarction includes options are A. Severe chest pain, B. Dyspnea, C. Tachycardia, and D. All. The correct answer is D. All. 7. Most common cause of rupture of tendon is options are A. Fall from height, B. Overuse, C. Trauma, and D. Congenital defect. And the correct answer is answer B. Overuse. 8. During angina attack, nitroglycerin is given by options are A. Intravenous route, B. Intramuscular route, C. Subcutaneous route, and D. Sublingually. And the correct answer is answer D. Sublingually. 9. Nursing intervention during angina includes options are A. Provide comfortable and well ventilated environment, B. Administer oxygen, C. Administer nitroglycerin sublingually, and D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 10. In which of the following condition postoperative pulmonary thromboembolism is seen? Options are A. High dose estrogen therapy, B. Obesity and immobility, C. Pregnant female, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is answer D. All of the above. 11. Function of cardiac glycoside includes options are A. Increase myocardial contractility, B. Increase cardiac output, C. Decrease conduction of impulse through the AV node, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is answer D, all of the above. 12. Which pulse is palpated to see the effectiveness of CPR, that is cardiopulmonary resuscitation? And the options are A. Radial, B. Carotid, C. Temporal, and D. Femoral. And the correct answer is answer B. Carotid pulse is palpated to see the effectiveness of CPR. 13. Which of the following medication would the nurse anticipate the physician would order to increase the blood pressure for a patient with septic shock? Options are A. Atropine, B. Dopamine, C. Nitroglycerin, and D. Digoxin. And the correct answer is answer B. Dopamine. 14. Which of the following is restricted for a patient scheduled for an intravenous pyelogram? Options are A. Salt intake, B. Fluid intake, C. Use of tobacco, and D. Physical activities. And the correct answer is answer B. Fluid intake. 15. High blood pressure means options are A. Obesity, B. Hypertension, C. Diabetes, and D. Hypotension. And the correct answer is answer B. Hypertension. So thanks for watching the video, and please like, comment and subscribe my video channel to watch further videos regarding MCQ of medical surgical nursing.